Hello friends, in this video we are going to cover how to add variants. Now imagine you've got products with different, let's say, packaging. You've got a packaging of one product and a packaging of two products, or let's say you've got apparels in which you've got size, and size becomes your variant, and you just want to show one t-shirt, and then users should be able to actually select the size while they are choosing the product. That's what we call as variants. Now, some people have variants as size, some people might have it as color. You can have these variants in whatever format you want. So what we are going to do now is we are going back to the products, and when we go back to the products, we can basically just say edit this product, and let's say when I go back to my variant, I can see that I don't have a variant right now because the select parent product is the same. So what we are going to do now is, let's say, first review the two products that we want to create it as variants. So let's say we've got these two products which are basically the same product, but this is a single pack and this is a pack of two. So basically these become a variant where this becomes single and this becomes a variant of this product itself. What we are going to do is we are going to come here, edit this product. So first, before even editing this product, I'm going to actually copy the SKU or copy the code from the parent product, and we are going to go to the second product, edit this product, go to the variant, and in this we are going to name the parent like so, and after naming the parent like so, we are going to say packaging, and this is pack of two. And I'm going to make this variance position as 2, and we are going to save it. After we do that, we are going to go back to the first product, which was this one, edit this product, because this is the main variant. We are going to edit this product, and we are going to make this so this automatically becomes its own variant, and this time we are going to leave it as packaging, and in the detail we are going to say single pack, and we are going to name the position as 1. Now if you look at this product, if I look at it in the store, you'll see that this variant starts appearing and the first product becomes a single pack product. And when I actually click the second product, pack of 2, then the other product starts showing up where the second variant is available. Now it is very important to understand that we can do it one by one or we can do it all at once. So we can go back to our import, and we are going to show you that we are going to go back to the import and do it at bulk. But having said that, what we can also do, what we need to really remember here is that when the variant is being clicked, the individual product remains individual itself. So each variant can have different photographs. Let's say you've got t-shirts and you've got a green t-shirt and a red t-shirt and a black t-shirt, and by default it's a white t-shirt that you want to show. Then the other colorful t-shirts become the variant of the white product, but the photographs of the blue t-shirt can be different and the white t-shirt can be different, and all the other colorful t-shirts, they can have different different details and different details out here as well, because they are individual products. They just get nested one under the other. In order to actually do it at bulk, what we can do is choose bulk import, and when we choose bulk import, we can download these products once again, edit them, and when I edit them, you can see that this starts appearing like so. So let's say if I were to go into these and I would say that this is a pack of 2, let's say, and if I want to make this a variant of this, what I'll do is I'll take the code here, I'll put the variant both like such, because the parent becomes the same, packaging, and this we are going to just put it as such. Similarly, if let's say these two are a variant, similarly, which is pack of 2, what we are going to do is put this as the main variant, and we are going to copy this. Now remember that we are doing this for SKU19, which is organic eyebrow castor oil. We are just copying that. We are saving it. And we are uploading these products once again. And when I go back here, let me just copy the actual product name itself out here. And when I go here and I refresh the site, and when I search for that product, you can see that the first one becomes this. So it's not showing, maybe I'm doing something wrong here, but the first one would become the product, the first product, and the second one would become a variant of the first product. So that's how you basically configure the variants right from here. Oh, actually I copied the wrong product. That's why it was not showing. Let me just do that here now. And when I click this product, I can see that this becomes a single pack product. And when I say pack of 2, this becomes the other product, which is a pack of 2 products. So this is how you configure products, variants one by one or at bulk. Thank you.